Landing your dream job in construction project management might seem like navigating a demolition site, but I'm here to hand you the blueprint. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I, with no initial construction background, broke into the world of construction project management. Get ready to take notes, because this is your step-by-step guide. Step 1: Skill up. Construction project management is all about understanding the process. I started with online courses in project management fundamentals and construction management basics. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy are your friends. Focus on areas like scheduling, budgeting, and risk management. Step 2: Network. Attend industry events. Even if you feel like a fish out of water, connect with construction professionals on LinkedIn. Don't be afraid to reach out for informational interviews. This is where you'll learn the unspoken rules of the game. Step 3: Gain practical experience. This doesn't necessarily mean immediately landing a PM role. Look for entry-level positions like project coordinator, assistant project manager, or even field engineer. These roles will give you invaluable on-the-ground experience and allow you to prove your worth. Step 4: Certifications. Once you have some experience under your belt, consider getting a professional certification, like the Project Management Professional (PMP) or the Certified Construction Manager (CCM). These certifications demonstrate your commitment and expertise. Step 5: Tailor your resume and cover letter. Highlight the skills and experience you've gained that are relevant to construction project management. Use keywords from job descriptions. Show them you understand the industry. And finally, Step 6: Persistence. Breaking into any new field takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged by rejections. Keep learning, keep networking, and keep applying. Your dream construction project management job is out there. So, there you have it, my step-by-step guide to breaking into construction project management. Let me know in the comments what other career advice you'd like to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.